Renewable energy is one of the main source that will be implementing in the future grids of energy. And if we think about green hydrogen itself, so if we consider the technology, which is what we are looking right now, it's using renewable by using electrolyzer, the water electrolyzer. So if you consider even that technology, and the major goal in that is to bring down the cost around $1, which is about, let's say, 80 to 100 rupees. And if we look in that scenario, to produce 1 kg of hydrogen, you require 40 units of electricity. And that itself, if you even be very modest, let's say if we consider even 2 to 3 rupees per unit, we are just costing about $1, that itself. We are not even considering the cost of electrolyzers there. We are not even considering the membrane, the electrodes, all those things has not even added up. The other rare commodity I will add is that, for produce 1 kg of hydrogen, we require like about 9 kg of water, fresh water. And that soon will be very scarce. Because we know that, we'll be facing a huge problem. I'm coming from Bangalore and we're already facing because we have no rain there. So how we going to get that? So that's another major issue. So in that scenario, I feel that, we should look beyond that. One is that, we should introduce something which can replace fresh water. So for currently, what we can do is we can integrate the wastewater into our system, so that at least that cost can be reduced. For example, if you use water splitting, you use oxygen evolution reaction, which is very highly energy intensive. So if you replace that, for example, what we do in our lab is we use urine. Let's say urine coming out from, and it has urea in it, which the thermodynamic voltage that requires about 0.37 volt. So which is about 75% less energy required than of water. So although it doesn't come down to that, but at least we can reduce at least 50% of the energy that has been required to that. So that can really lead towards the goal which we are looking towards, is about $1 per hydrogen production.